Hey guys, Justin Labato here inside of Autogeek Show Car Garage, and we're here to showcase the new line of GlassParency products. This is the Silica Waterless Wash. Now, this product is amazing because you don't need water. This is something that you would spray to the surface and wipe away dirt and contaminants, and it leaves a silica-based protectant behind. And that's something that will help seal the surface for some light protection, whether you have no protection on the vehicle or you have existing protection, such as a wax, a sealant, or a ceramic coating of some sort. This will allow you to maintain your vehicle with no water. Now, keep in mind, on these waterless wash products, of course, you're gonna wanna spray heavy. The heavier you spray, the more lubricity as you wipe. That way it's safer for you, more effective, and then you reduce any idea of possibly micro scratching or marring the surface in your wipe methods. This is a product that's something that's great as a quick detailer. It could be used on all surfaces, such as glass, rims, paint, just there in hand, part of your arsenal to be able to get the job done quick and easy with something that's sprayable. With the Silica Waterless Wash, this will help keep your vehicle maintained very well, with also keeping it glossy and very repellent. One of the really great things about this product is the scent. It's a juicy fruit scent. So this is something that you can not only enjoy using it, but as you're using it, enjoy the smell of it as well. A really distinct smell that's very enjoyable. For more information about GlassParency Silica Waterless Wash, visit autogeek.com.